Understanding Safety Advisory, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, safety advisory. This term is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it will enhance your comprehension of safety-related discussions. Let's dive in. Safety advisory combines two important words, safety and advisory. First, let's look at each word individually. Safety. This noun refers to the condition of being protected from danger, risk, or injury. It's all about being secure and free from harm. Advisory. This noun, often used as an adjective, describes something that has the power or function to advise. It's about providing recommendations or suggestions, usually based on expertise or authority. Together, safety advisory means a guideline or notice provided to ensure safety, often issued by an authority or expert in the field. Safety advisories are common in various scenarios. Here are a few examples. 1. Weather-related advisories. Authorities issue advisories to warn people about severe weather conditions, like storms or heat waves, advising on safety measures. 2. Health and safety advisories. These can be guidelines about public health, like during a pandemic, or workplace safety. 3. Product safety advisories. Companies issue these to inform about any potential risks associated with a product, often leading to recalls or safety tips. Understanding the context helps in comprehending the specific advice or warning being given. Understanding safety advisory is crucial because it helps you stay informed and safe in different situations. It's a common phrase in news and official communications, especially related to public safety. Being aware of advisories ensures that you can take appropriate actions to protect yourself and others. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of safety advisory. Remember, staying informed and heedful of these advisories can be vital for your safety and well-being. Keep learning, and stay safe. See you in our next video.